Practice tayo mag-Tagalog. Let's practice speaking Tagalog. Hello. Kumusta? 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 Some would say, kamusta? Kamusta? Repeat after me, kamusta? Or kumusta? Kumusta? Or musta? Goodbye. Paalam. 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 Please. Paki. Please. Paki. Paki. Thank you. Salamat. 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 Yes. Oo. 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 No. Hindi. 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 This is Ollie of the LearnTagalogFilipino.com podcast.